Okay, now we are watching for bee breeding box of Turkish company Happybees. Very interesting small bee breeding box. Okay, this is a feeder. Everything is plastic, of course, you can recognize. This one is a plastic entrance. Plastic entrance. Just a close, lock, and plastic combs. Yes, you can take them all together and make conventional frame, attach them all together and use in a normal beehive. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames and a feeder for sure. So such lovely, interesting plastic bee breeding box. Nucleus, yeah, and the roof. So that's a company. Bee breeding box. And that's a company and representative man.